Hi everybody, I'm Rory Smith with Building Digital, and we're here at MCity with EllisDon to talk about BIM, how it's being used on the job, how it's being proactively deployed, and how EllisDon is working with the trades to make sure everything goes according to plan.
Hi everyone, my name is Maverick Coacher. I'm a superintendent with EllisDon at the MCity Projects. Today we're visiting both M3 and M4, M5 behind us as well. I'm here with my colleague Ella.
Hi, I'm Choi. I'm a VDC Coordinator at M3 and M4.
And today we're here to talk about BIM. So behind us here is the 6th floor mechanical room. This is the chiller room. And this was one of the main areas where we utilized BIM, specifically our 3D model, to really save our bacon on how we're gonna be able to get this room to service the building.
So there's a duct above the boilers. We found that this is not enough clearance. So we changed all the layouts with mechanical room and chiller. So we capture all the issues ahead of time, and we changed all the layout with consultants. So this is the previous boiler location, and then the current location. We are changed to the chiller room. So this is the new layout for the mechanical room.
You have to do this job without BIM. Can you do it?
No, I can't imagine a job without the BIM. BIM is really the key for the construction. We're using BIM for everything. Drawing discrepancy and all the capturing issues, BIM is really the key for the on-site.